Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of homeopathy and exploring essential first aid remedies you should have at home. We're about to upgrade your first aid knowledge with the power of homeopathy. We'll break down complex concepts into easy to understand advice, so buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's empower you to take control of your health. Let's kick things off with a homeopathic superstar, Arnica montana, or simply Arnica. This powerful herb has been used for centuries to address those pesky everyday injuries. Think of Arnica as your body's own personal repair crew, reducing swelling, easing pain, and speeding up the healing process. Got a black eye from a rogue basketball? Arnica to the rescue. Twisted your ankle during your morning jog? Arnica's got your back. Keep those Arnica pellets or creams handy in your first aid kit, and you'll be ready to tackle any minor mishap that comes your way. Remember, while Arnica is great, consult with a healthcare professional for serious injuries.
Know you've been a good friend.
Next up, we have aconite, also known as Aconitum napellus. This powerful remedy is a must-have for those sudden health hiccups that seem to appear out of nowhere. Aconite comes into play when symptoms hit you rapidly and intensely, like sudden fevers, chills, dry coughs, and even anxiety or panic attacks. Think of aconite as your go-to remedy for those "I think I'm getting sick" moments. Feeling a cold coming on? A dose of aconite can help nip it in the bud. Remember, consult with a qualified homeopathic practitioner for proper dosage and guidance. Let's talk about Apis mellifica, a remedy derived from honeybees. Apis mellifica is your go-to solution for stings, bites, and allergic reactions that involve swelling, redness, and that burning, stinging pain. Picture this: you're enjoying a beautiful day outdoors when suddenly, ouch, a bee sting. The affected area starts throbbing, swelling up like a balloon, and feels hot to the touch. This is where Apis mellifica comes in handy, providing relief from the pain, itching, and inflammation. It's also incredibly effective for other skin irritations like hives and mosquito bites. As always, consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment, especially if you have any known allergies or if symptoms persist. Finally, let's explore belladonna, a powerful remedy derived from the deadly nightshade plant. Belladonna is a classic remedy for conditions that come on suddenly and intensely, characterized by burning heat, redness, and often throbbing pain. Imagine a high fever that spikes rapidly, accompanied by a flushed face, dilated pupils, and a throbbing headache. This is a classic indication for belladonna, helping to bring down the fever, reduce inflammation, and alleviate those painful symptoms. Belladonna is also valuable for inflammatory conditions like earaches, sore throats, and even sunburns. If the affected area is red, hot, and throbbing, belladonna might be your answer. Remember, use belladonna under the guidance of a qualified homeopathic practitioner. And there you have it, your crash course in homeopathic first aid. We've covered 4 essential remedies: Arnica, aconite, Apis mellifica, and belladonna. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and remedies. Stay safe and take care.